when I eat the most delicious pizza in the world, I want to tell people. So I tell you, and I say, oh, this is the most delicious pizza in the world. You got to try it. So then you go, and you eat it, and you say, this is the most delicious pizza in the world. And you tell your friends, and they tell their friends, and they tell their friends, and so on, until it becomes the most popular pizza place on the planet. This is called word of mouth. So something spreads often by word of mouth. Now, another way we can talk about this is if something spreads very quickly on the internet. If something spreads on the internet, we say it's viral. It's viral. So, if something becomes really popular suddenly because I saw a funny video or a picture and sent it to you, and then you sent it to your friends, and then your friend posted it on whatever, then we can say, it's going viral. Or this picture or this video or whatever went viral. So in this video, I want to talk about how we can recommend videos or things that we find on the internet, or actually anything, but we're going to use videos as an example, how we can recommend these things to our friends. So first, how do we ask if people have seen something already? Well, maybe it's a really famous thing and it has a name, like the sneezing panda video. So we might say, hey, have you seen the sneezing panda video? But that's a really old example and a really old video, and some things don't have a name, right? So we have to describe it a little bit. Hey, have you seen that video with? Have you seen that video with the walrus exercising? Have you seen that video with the walrus exercising yet? It's hilarious.
He's training a lot every day for belly. 6, 7, 8, 9.
So that video with is a way that we use to describe what's in the video, the content of the video, when maybe we don't have a specific name for it. So what if we just want to recommend something? So we're on cute animals for this video because they're cute. You've got to watch this cute penguin video. It's adorable. You've got to watch this cute penguin video. It's adorable.
It's a shaky start, but he mustn't lose his nerve. Time for a bit of tough love. With every step, he gains more confidence.
Maybe you already sent the video and you want to make sure they check it. This often happens to me. I always send Mushroom, my wife, I always send her cute animal videos on Facebook, and so I always mention it. Hey, I say, hey, I sent you a really cute video of a cow who thinks he's a dog. It is insanely cute. Or maybe you have the video on your phone right now and you want them to watch it, your friend to watch it right now. This video is really cute. I can't stand it. Just watch it. I can't stand it means you almost can't bear how cute it is. Just watch it. So there you're really being forceful. It means you don't care what they're doing. They have to watch this video right now. Now maybe you sent me a video yesterday and I want to mention it. That fluffy otter video you sent me yesterday totally made my day. That furry otter video you sent me yesterday totally made my day. Made my day is really common. If something really good happens, you can say, you just made my day. That video you sent me made my day. It's a really good and positive phrase to let somebody know that they did something that made you feel good. If it just happened recently, you can say, I just watched that video with the goats you sent me. Hilarious. So if somebody sends you a really funny video, or a cute animal video, or whatever, and it makes you laugh, it makes you happy, then you might want to thank the person who sent it. So you could say, thanks for sending that laughing lion video. It killed me. It killed me. Killed me or killed you, you're killing me, means something is really funny. Usually, not always, but it often means something is really funny. You're killing me. That was fake. So, those are some ways you can talk about things that you like, that you want to share with your friends. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.
11 million hits and counting. It sounds like a dog toy. But actually, this is the sonorous war cry of a very angry frog.
Come on, let's see your massage.
Hey, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. And if you really like this video, make sure to check out my Udemy page in the link below. Okay.